Have Mr. Sanjeev Goyal with us today. We welcome you, sir, to NDIM. Just wanted to take your view. How was the event today?
Yeah, this was my first visit to NDIM and I found it a very happening place.
Okay.
Inviting so many persons from diverse field,
Right.
and I felt a different level of energy here altogether. And it was a nice change from my routine work also.
Okay.
And I look forward to associate with NDIM in future also.
Thank you so much, sir. So basically, what are your suggestions for the young leaders, young entrepreneurs?
Actually, young leaders, first we need to set the perspective of what we need to define what leader is, because we are confusing most of the time the leader with the manager.
Right.
What we are training in the management institutes, they are managers
Right.
to cope up with the either government or the corporate sector, and they are taking managerial positions. Even the politicians we are electing, we think that they are our leaders, they are also managers because they are trying to deliver us the maximum out of whatever the resources are available.
Right.
Leadership, in my view, is something different which comes out of your selflessness. A single person can be leader with no one under him.
Right.
Or he can be leader of one person, or he can
Right.
be leader of the family
Very true.
itself. The one who is selflessness and who can identify the problem
Right.
the people are facing at hand, he can be leader.
Right.
Others are only managers.
Right.
So it is not that managers are not leader, but they are not truly leader. It can be mix of two. They are being manager, they are leader also. That they have perspective of helping others also, identifying the problem and solving that. But most of the time we are confusing leaders with managers.
Right, sir. Right. So how did you like the event today?
Yeah, I told you earlier also that event was very good. It was an opportunity to meet people from diverse background, from diverse culture, because there was a large group from US also,
Right, right.
Pepperdine University, and it was a nice experience of interacting with people and learning from them and sharing my views with them.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.